What if the moments you feel the weakest, the moments you feel forgotten, empty, or broken, are actually the moments when heaven is leaning in the closest? What if God isn't shouting in your victories, but whispering in your wounds, "Stay with me"? We live in a world that celebrates strength, confidence, control, and achievement. We're told to push harder, stay strong, and never let them see you break. But let me ask you something deeply personal. When did God feel the closest to you? Was it when everything was going right? Or when everything was falling apart? For many of us, it wasn't in the applause. It was in the silence, somewhere along the way. We started believing a lie that strength equals blessing and success equals God's approval. That if we're struggling, we must be doing something wrong, so we chase strength. We chase grades, careers, followers, and validation. We build perfect images and ironclad identities, and we say, "God, I've got this." But here's the painful truth no one tells us. The moment we become self-sufficient is often the moment God feels the most distant. Not because he left, but because we stopped listening. Here's the paradox of heaven. God's power doesn't explode through our confidence. It flows through our surrender. When we're strong, we rely on ourselves. But when we're weak, we finally reach for him. Scripture reminds us of something radical. "My grace is sufficient for you. For my power is made perfect in weakness." Not tolerated, not hidden, perfected. Your weakness isn't a flaw in God's plan, it's the doorway. Think about it. God spoke to Elijah not in the fire, not in the earthquake, but in a still, small whisper. Why? Because whispers require closeness. God doesn't shout across a distance. He whispers when he's near. And often, the moments we are most broken are the moments he's closest, when your strength runs out. His presence rushes in. Maybe you're watching this right now feeling exhausted, not physically, but spiritually. You've tried to be strong, you've tried to hold it all together, and you're tired. Hear this. God is not disappointed in your weakness. He's waiting inside it. Your tears are not wasted. Your doubts do not disqualify you. Your brokenness does not silence heaven. Sometimes the deepest prayers aren't spoken aloud, they're felt, and God hears every one of them. Weakness echoes, not with shame, but with eternity. It echoes with grace, with mercy, with a God who doesn't abandon us in our fragility, but meets us there. Your lowest point may be the place where God's voice becomes unmistakably clear. Not because you finally figured everything out, but because you finally let go. So tonight, or tomorrow, or in your next moment of weakness, don't run from it. Lean into it. Because what feels like the end of your strength may be the beginning of his. And in that quiet, vulnerable place, you might just hear it. The echo of eternity.